gonna start destroying shit in here, knocking the windows.
So what is the RMS on these subs? I don't think I've ever seen them before.
They are, those are probably at least, I think they're rated at 5, but they do more, 5,000 feet.
Anything under the hood, alternator?
Yeah, I got the high power, it's a 270. 270 right there, that's it.
Wow, you got 2 of them. Got it. So one's disconnected.
Yeah.
So this one's not hooked up. So that one is.
Yeah, both of them were playing.
You used to have both on?
I did, but it was just destroying stuff. So I'm
yeah. You can turn it on if you need a burp. That's about it.
Yeah, that's it.
Did you ever do an SPL test? SPL, like a burp test?
I haven't done it. No, okay. I haven't done it. I'm not really into that. I just like to play. You know what I'm saying?
How much lithium is this?
How many? I think it's a balance of it. It's got a balance in there. It's like,
okay.
I think there's 7 of them.
Okay. Wow. Did you build this? You built this?
No, audio creation.
Okay.
St. Petersburg.
Okay.
Yeah. But I'm happy with it. You know?
Oh yeah. Can I look right here?
Oh yeah.
I'll let you.
It's not ready yet, but it's gonna be nice once it's done.
Oh yeah.
We're working on it. Once this is done, this is gonna be really nice.
Oh yeah. They're built into the vehicle though. It was built into the vehicle.
Yeah.
So what's your name and what's in here, man? Go ahead.
My name is Tommy Evans. I got the DS18. Everything is basically DS18 except for the subs. The subs are the Jeffro Eastons, the JE Eternals, and powered by the DC18 Hooligan, 10,000 Hooligan.
Okay. And then you got
lithium battery bank.
So is the amp back there too?
Yeah.
Okay.
And not only that, there's only one of the amps playing.
Really?
Yeah.
The heat or just, it's really hot?
Well, no, with 2 of them, it's just the voltage I can't keep up.
Okay.
And it's like it's gonna start destroying shit in here, knocking the windows and stuff off. So I think I'm just keeping with the one amp.
Okay.
Yes.
So I can kind of open up and look at everything.
Okay, I'll open up and look at it. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
trailer too.
Huh?
It did pretty good bandwidth for a flat wall.
Yeah.
All right, man. You have a good day. Thanks for showing me. Yes, sir.